Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to the Nut House of Nails. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Anybody out there that's new, just never watched me before, you might want to go ahead and stick around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for a sister. Come on over and join this crazy circle. You won't regret it. Anyway, check it out. Today we're going to be doing some polygel nails up in here, alright? Now I want to show y'all what I'm going to go in using. Alright y'all, the brand of polygel that I'm going in using is Gershon. I'm going to go in using a natural pink nail brush and the picker to this collection as well. And I'm going in using a top coat and a base coat by Gershon. Alright? Now, here are the nail tips that I'm going to go in using today. And I'm going to leave everything that I use in this video, if not everything, almost everything that I use in this video down in the description bar below. Okay? I may go in using these cute little butterflies. I hadn't made up my mind just yet, so I think I am. I'm leaning towards using these here, so you may see me use these, girl, but I'm going to tell you like this. If it don't come out right, I may switch up throughout the video. You may see a whole switcheroo going on. If it don't look right, I'm going to have to change up, and I may go in using this here foil right here. Okay? Alright, look at here. I'm going to go in using my little new Babe nail drill. Alright, this drill right here, this would be perfect for beginners. Now, the reason I'm using this drill for my polygel nails is because you can actually use a hand file to file down your polygel nails. But me personally, I don't like using no hand file all the time because it's just too much work, girl. And the heat is on hell around here. Ain't nobody got time to be all day long. Not me. Not I said I. Anyway, look at here. So I'm going to go in and use my little Babe. This is my first time putting this little thing to the test. Alright, so we're going to see how well she works. Okay? But yeah. I like the fact that it's really, really, really tiny. Fits right in your hand. It's lightweight. Great for beginners. Great, great, great. If you just not starting out, this probably be the perfect nail drill for you to have. Supposed to you getting one of them real high torque nail drills, girl, and you mess around and cut off your meat down. Woo! You mess around and cut down to your meat on your nail. Girl, you have a problem over there. You be all up and through a situation. But anyway, so if I did have to recommend a hand drill, sis, for beginners, I would highly recommend one of these little pencil hand drills for you. Alright, and look at here, let me show you how this little thing works. Alright, it comes with some extra sanding bands. This is perfect. I like the fact they give you, I don't know how many in here, look like be about 50, maybe 100. No, ain't no honey in here, ain't no honey. I don't think it's no honey, but anyway, I think it's probably about 50. I don't know, girl, ain't nobody counting all these, but anyway, come with a whole heap of them. You see it? Alright, moving on along, because anybody got time for all this. It's hot. I'm over here tripping because it's hot. Anyway, look. It comes with a 5-piece drill bit set here, as well as the little, what you call this thing, girl? I don't know the right terminology to save my life. But anyway, this is the thing that goes inside the drill. You sound dumb. You sound so unprofessional. Anyway. I ain't go to school to know what no terminology these little things is. So, what you do is, you put this down in here like that there, okay? Push it on in there like that. And it give you 2 coarse, 2 medium, and 2 coarse, 2 medium, and 2... Girl, where my tongue at? 2 coarse, 2 medium, and 2... Girl. Oh my goodness. They give you 2 coarse, 2 medium, and 2 fine drill bit things here. Jeez. Okay, and I'm going to push this in there like that there. That's a fine one, okay? And now let's put this little thing to the test. Is that a fine or a medium? That's a fine. Look like a fine. Anyway, this is what you get at the Nut House of Nails, girl. You going to get it. It give you a little bulky brush. Isn't that cute? With the little stones on it, girl. Look at that little cute little bulky brush. Never can have too many bulky brushes. Anyway, that's what it is. Here's the cord. Let me unravel this little mamma jamma. Okay. So here's the cord. It's fairly long. It's the part you plug in. Alright. It's fairly long. This is the part that goes in the bottom of the drill. And here is the little knob. But let me plug her up so I can show y'all how she works. Alright, so here's the bottom of the drill. Here, this part right here goes into the bottom like that there. Okay. And here's the knob. Now let's turn her on. This is the control speed switch. This is the on and off and the forward and reverse. Let's put her in forward. There she go there. She's very quiet. Let me turn her, what's this, down? Yeah, that's down. Yeah, down. See, I'm pushing down. Go down. Duh. Anyway, let's push her all the way up and see how high she go. Oh, wow. Woo. Okay, girl. You got a little twerk. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, I think this would be real nice for beginners. Let me turn her down. Okay. Wow. And she still is a nice speed. Girl, this is real nice. Anyway, look at here. Let me tell y'all something. When I very first started doing nails and they first introduced these drills like this, they was not this nice. This is really nice. I like this one. All right, babe. Let me turn her off. Put her in the middle. To turn her off. Let me take her and put her in reverse. That's reverse. Wow. Okay. Let me turn her up in reverse. Same thing. Girl, yeah, let me go ahead and get my nail tips on. Let's get started, girl. Let's get started. Doing some polygel nails all up and through here. All right, y'all. Go ahead, grab yourself something to eat, something to drink on. Get yourself prepared because I'm about to get ready to get started. These sanding bands work really great with polygel nails. So let me turn her up just a little bit because it's too hot to be playing around. All right, babe, tend to your business now. I'm gonna give you a call when I'm done here.
Okay.
All right. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go in using these here butterflies right here, okay? And I believe I'm gonna go and use, I don't know, they all look the same size, but girl, these here look a little larger. Hold on, let's go in this package together. Let's go in this package together. Look at that, isn't they pretty? I think I'm gonna use this pink right here. Girl, this better look like a butterfly. Oh hell, I caught trying to put this thing on my hand. Y'all, these little punch out things, woo wee, they a beast. This is crazy, girl. This is something else. This is something else. Do you hear me? This is something else. Ooh, this is something else. Y'all folks that's making these little butterfly stickers, y'all gotta get a little better with these punch outs. This is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. That's your whole sticker. See what I'm saying, girl? This is so tedious. These stickers weren't so darn cute. I'd be like, you know what? These are a pain. You have to be very careful trying to get these little punch outs too, because you will rip your sticker and you don't want to do all that. Girl, if I went through all this here work and I tear my sticker, ooh, we gonna have a problem. We gonna have a problem. Hold on, girl. Oh, holy golly. Okay, let me try and get this last little punch out right here. Y'all gonna hear me cry if I rip my little butterfly. Hey, birds. Yeah, I'm gonna be a rapper. I keep telling y'all I could be a rapper. Girl, is that a butterfly? It better look like a butterfly. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with some of this UV gel. Oh, that's pretty. Look how the gel is bringing her to life. Look how the gel is bringing this cute little butterfly to life. Girl, you better came to life. Dad out on me trying to get on the punch outs off of you. That's good.